Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So when packaging items for Vinted, follow these simple steps to ensure your package is secure, presentable and ready for shipping. So for small items like clothing, use a poly mailer or a padded envelope. For fragile or bulky items, use a sturdy cardboard box with enough space for protective padding. Fold clothes neatly to prevent wrinkles. For delicate items, wrap them in bubble wrap or tissue paper. Add extra padding like crumpled paper or packaging peanuts if needed. Use strong packing tape to seal the envelope or box. Reinforce the seams to prevent the package from splitting during transit. Also, you need to label the package, of course. So you need to print the Vinted provided shipping label and attach it securely to the front. Ensure the barcode is visible and not covered by tape. And shake the package a bit gently to confirm nothing moves inside. And by following these steps, you will ensure that your Vinted sale arrives safely and leaves a positive impression on your buyer. Guys, enjoyed the video. Hopefully this helps you out. Like the video and subscribe. See you next time.